Hey Crushers! How's it going? In this quick video, I will show you how to access the video training and bonus sections of GMB Crush. Are you ready? Let's go! Once logged into the main dashboard, click on Bonus Resources, which remains on the bar at the bottom of the page. By clicking on each preview image, you will be able to access to each section. For example, the ebook section have right now 3 PDF resources available. In the Basic and Advanced Training section, you will find all the video modules updated monthly. The basic video training is available to all the monthly users. The Advanced Course section is accessible only by the annual users. The SOP files are available to yearly and monthly users. To access the individual SOP documents, click on the Open button to upload the individual files. If you are new to GMB Crush and want to learn more about how GMB Crush can help your local SEO journey, visit gmbcrush.com for more details. For all annual users of GMB Crush, the Advanced Money Science Training course is available and updated monthly. In the Money Science Training, you will learn best practices to outrank your competitors in the local 3-pack and local Google searches, empowering your business profile by building relevant geo-signals. You'll also get SEO secrets that move the needle and stretch listings proximity. Okay, that's all for today. To connect with us, please follow the link in the description or click on the URL from the first pinned comment. This is the time to act. Join us today.